Friends, today I just wanted to answer some of my clients' queries, especially on investing in gold and precious metals. Because in the recent 6 months, the gold has rallied and it has hit a new high. So they wanted to understand about investing in gold. So I just thought, let me give you some data points on this recent rally so that you can make a understanding out of it. See, 36,000 tons of gold is the total reserve held by most of the central bankers across the world, whether it is of um, the US Federal or People Bank of China or Bank of England or European Central Bank or even our Reserve Bank of India. Like that, every central bankers are increasing their gold reserve because with uncertainty in US dollar and in order to protect their currency, they are increasing their dollar and they are also replacing the not having the US securities and having a dollar as a neutral asset. So 25% of the world's gold demand is rest with the central banks. And in the last 3 years, if you see, already 1,000 tons of gold has been already bought by the most of the central bankers. And this year, it is even expected to go higher in the range of 1,000 tons this calendar year as Trump's tariff and trade disputes is creating the uncertainty. But historically, if you look at gold has given a return in the range of 9 to 10%. And since this gold is an international asset class, if you take the dollar denominated returns, it's much lesser. But as India is importing gold, we need to peg it against the US dollar. So there could be a 1 or 2% higher because of the rupee depreciation. So to answer your question, whether to invest in gold, gold should be definitely part of the asset allocation in your portfolio. If somebody is not having enough physical gold, they can definitely have it because it's a hedge against inflation and it is a internationally tradable a currency. And there is a World Gold Council which tracks the prices of it and gives the mining picture and the global demand. But in India, if you would have noticed, silver has been already available in the mutual fund, and it is there for the last 2 years. And silver is an industrial metal. It has been used more than 60% in industrial metal, and basically it is used in storage place in most of the data centers. And if you look at it has been used in the automobiles, it is used in the solar panels, and the new sectors like semiconductors will have higher usage of silver. And globally, the demand for silver is also going up as world is looking at energy efficient solutions. So its usage in renewables and other new emerging sectors like data centers, AI, and relevant storage, energy storage systems, silver usage has gone up. So instead of investing only in gold, I would urge my investors to consider gold and silver together in a fund which has got good allocation so that they are using it for the diversification where both gold and silver together exist in a fund. And in Indian mutual fund, you have gold and silver ETF fund of funds, which has been recently launched by many of the fund houses. And definitely, you should consider looking at it rather than only having one asset class, something like gold or silver, because both are subject to market volatility based on demand and supply. And the world is increasing, becoming VUCA. So having assets across different uh, asset classes will definitely help you to minimize your risk and maximize your return. And do have exposure in this, but not more than 10 to 15% in your portfolio, because as you know, there are multiple opportunities available to invest across the domain rather than looking at only one asset class or one precious metal at any point in time. Thank you very much.